everybody, welcome back to another episode of Simply New England Off-Road. So guys, many of you who do follow me in the cfmoto everything group and on the Simply New England Videos Instagram page are aware that I have some breaking news as shown here. So, what is all this news about? Well, this news is about Simply New England Off-Road getting a new sponsor, a sponsor that I am very excited about, a sponsor that, no, it's not cfmoto related, it's not parts for cfmoto, but it is something that we use every day when we're getting our cfmotos muddy or our Jeeps muddy. Actually, a whole host of other different things as well. The great thing about this announcement is, rather than a 5% off or a 10% off code, I'm going to be bringing you a 15% off code. So without further ado, let me introduce you to who this new sponsor is. So, you ready? I know I am. And the new sponsor is Yamatic Power. Guys, I am excited to bring this to you again. Yamatic Power is not just a pressure washer company. Yamatic Power is dealing in a lot of different things here. I'm going to break this down for you quickly. They are dealing in pressure washer hoses, pressure washer guns, pressure washer pumps. But the great thing about the pumps is, and I've had this experience, you put your pressure washer away for the winter, you get to drain out all the water, pump cracks, no longer works. You can get pumps right through this company. You can get pumps that are installed from the bottom or side pumps. So either way, these guys do have you covered. And they also provide support when it comes to making sure the pump is going to fit your unit. We moved down a little bit here, and my favorite, you guys have seen me use them in videos before, is the foam cannon. This foam cannon, from what I'm reading, it is a higher quality than what I currently have. It has quick connects, disconnects, just makes things a lot faster when you're going through the process. Next, they do sell garden hoses. Now, these aren't your standard variety garden hoses. These are higher-end garden hoses that do not kink. They also do the paint hoses, which relevant to the cfmoto world or any off-road world or, you know, in any application in that matter. Guys, I see it all the time. You guys paint your bumpers, you paint your rock guards, you paint your rear bumpers, whatever it might be, your panels. These guys have a great hose that they sell. It's very high quality. And then, of course, the pressure washer hoses, which they are built for all different machine types. So as you can see here, they'll fit a Craftsman, they'll fit your Honda, your B&S, your Generic, your Ryobi, your Power Stroke, your Simpson, and as they say here, and more. What I like about this company here is that, for one, they really liked what they saw in my previous videos. So I guess they generally will give 5 or 10% discounts. In this case here, they've given me the option to be able to offer you guys a code that gives you 15% off. I do not personally make anything off of your purchases. What they did agree with me on was, in being my sponsor, they are going to hook me up with some equipment. That equipment I am going to end up doing some demos on this spring. I'm going to get the machines or the Jeep, whatever it might be, super muddy, and we're going to use some good product, and I'm going to use their gun, their tips, their foam cannon, and I'm going to show you that everything works fantastic. So I'll go into this just real quick here. I'm just going to show you a couple things that I really like about these guys that they have is the pressure washer parts. And in the pressure washer accessories, you have the pressure hoses, you have the washer pumps, they have the gun and wand setups, the nozzles and the tips. Now these here I do like. I like these easy connect parts that they have. If you go in here, you can look. They have all the different extension adapters that you can need, the male pieces, the female pieces, the plugs. We'll scroll down a bit. They really break it down for you, what the application use of each of these is for. So they take the guesswork out when you come to this site to look what's going on. Now, as far as your hoses, now guys, remember you have females at home who like to garden and like to do things. So these guys offer shares. They offer all these different things here. So you can see you got no leak watertight seals. There is nothing worse when you're out there spraying down your car or out in your garden and the water is just seeping out the side of the hoses. These guys sell the parts to make it so you can get away from, that issue. You can see here, high quality inside seals, no leak watertight seals. The other thing too that I really liked here was they offer some deals. So for instance, right now you can get discount on these hoses as is, $11.99, $32.99, $22.99. Foam cannon, $20. Prices are already fantastic. And then you can turn around and put the discount code in there and get an additional 15% off. One of the things I did see the other day that they were doing, it was, see if I can find it here. News, under the news. No, it wasn't under the news, but you can see here they do have buying guides. So if you do have questions about what you're purchasing, you can come to this site and see that. And those are all self-explanatory. I will not go into each one of them, but you ask the questions, fitting guides. Again, they have the pruning shears for your ladies, how to use the washer for different applications, knowing about the pressure water pumps. I mean, it just goes on. Garden hose tips, pressure washer gun recommended. Then one thing I did see too that was, I'm going to go in here real quick. So we've got the wands, and basically the kit that they're sending me is this one here that I'm scrolling over. They're going to send me all that to do a demonstration with. Now, one of the things I did notice that I liked was this one here. It's the foam cannon set, and you'll notice that the tips on that are all quick release right in here. We go to quick view. This here will just go boom right into there. You pull this back, it pops right off. You put your nozzle on, and then you just go on your merry way and continue to spray. So I like how it's close. So that was something. Now that's $69.99 again, 15% off. And I'll show you real quick how easy this is. I'm going to add this to my cart, and I'm going to go to checkout. I'm going to get rid of something here that I was looking at earlier. But right now we can see it's $69.99. We go to checkout, add to cart, and we go to checkout. Discount code is there. Right here, YMSNE, $13.49. So you end up getting $90 for $76.50. And every once in a while, they'll come out with additional 5% off codes that I saw, and they will apply to these existing codes. So guys, that's really about it. Again, the other thing too I was going to bring up to you while I'm in here and you're following and listening along, do not forget we have the cfmoto Everything group. We are currently at 3,900 members. I will be so bold to say that we are one of the fastest growing cfmoto groups out there right now. We went from 0 to almost 4,000 in about 7 months. So guys, we do a lot in here. I do announcements. So for instance, you could see here, I gave them the teaser that the new sponsor was coming, telling them that a code is coming here soon. We have a lot of fun in this group. As you can see, I'm very active in here. These are my posts. I'm going to not show everybody else's posts just for privacy reasons. It is a private page. So I'll go in here and ask questions and see what you think. I'll post different photos of things going on. We also do updates when I'm going to do a live stream. And I'll post silly things like this, just reminding everybody what a great group we are. And then as of late, you can see here, there's something else coming on, and that explains this hat here. 3-Star Industries took care of me with some tchotchkes, as I like to call them. And they also sent me something which I will be putting on the Z950 as soon as the weather shifts. So definitely stay tuned. I also have t-shirts available that you can get through Store Frontier, and those are all advertised right on the site. I'm doing a drive for 1,000 subscribers right now. So if you do type in to the video description, hashtag t-shirt, you will be entered into a drawing that is separate from the drawing that I have in the cfmoto group. In the cfmoto group, I am giving away 5 t-shirts and a special gift valued at $40. So in order to be part of that contest, you will have to join the group. But in this video here, you can enter hashtag t-shirt, and I will be giving away another t-shirt to a viewer. So with that being said, guys, thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate all of you guys viewing these videos. Everything has just been going fantastic, and I'm looking forward to more growth and bringing videos you guys enjoy. So that is all I have for you. Peace out. Aaron here from Simply New England Off-Road.